Hello students, today we are going to learn Sridhar Acharya's formula. Sridhar Acharya, who was an Indian mathematician, philosopher and Sanskrit Pandit. His major work on Patiganit Shastra was named by Trisastika because it was written 300 slokas. He was the first who gave formula to solving a quadratic equation. Let's solve. Quadratic equation. If Px is a quadratic polynomial, then Px is equal to 0 is called a quadratic equation. So, what is a quadratic equation? If Px that is a quadratic polynomial, then Px is equal to 0 is called a quadratic equation. Now, general form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. General form a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c belongs to R. That is, a, b and c are real numbers. R means real numbers. And always remember, a is not equal to 0. A cannot 0. If a is equal to 0, then 0 into x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. 0 into x square, that is 0. That means bx plus c is equal to 0. It is a linear equation, not a quadratic equation. It is a linear equation. Now, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Dividing both sides by a, that is ax square plus bx plus c divides by a is equal to 0 divides by a. Using distributive law, ax square by a plus bx by a plus c by a is equal to 0. 0 divides a is equal to 0. So x square plus b by a into x plus c by a is equal to 0. X square, that is x whole square plus 2 into x into b by 2a. We are trying to make it a perfect square. So here 2 comes, x whole square plus 2 into a into b form. This is a into ab form. Now plus b by 2a whole square. So s square plus 2ab plus b square form minus b by 2a whole square plus c by a is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus b by 2a whole square, this is the part, is equal to b by 2a whole square minus c by a. X plus b by 2a whole square is equal to b square by whole square of 2 is 4, so 4 by a square minus c by a. X plus b by 2a whole square is equal to, take LCM of 4a square and a. 4 a square and a, LCM of a square and a is a square. 4a square divides 4a square, that is 1. 1 into b square is b square minus a 4a into c, that is 4ac. b square minus 4ac by 4a square. Take square root. A whole square is equal to, value of square root is positive or negative, so b square minus 4ac by 4a square. Now the result is x plus b by 2a is equal to plus minus root b square minus 4ac by square root of 4 is 2 and square root of a square is a. X plus b by 2a is equal to plus minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Then x is equal to, therefore x is equal to minus b by 2a plus minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So x is equal to LCM of 2a and 2a is 2a, then it is minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the Sridhar Acharya formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. That is, x is equal to minus b plus root b square minus 4ac by 2a, and x is equal to minus b minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Discriminant denoted by d. If d is greater than 0, that is b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then two distinct and real roots. We get two distinct and real roots. Real roots means value of x. If d is equal to 0, that is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then two distinct and equal roots. Distinct and equal roots we get. If d is less than 0, value of d is less than 0, that is b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then no real roots, that is imaginary roots we get. So quadratic equation has two roots, either equal or unequal. So this is the derivation of Sridhar Acharya's formula. You have to learn it. and apply it.